Introducing Custom Baseline in Security Health Check. The Salesforce Health Check tool allows you to view and improve your security settings at a glance. With custom baselines, you can create your own security standards to compare against, instead of using the Salesforce recommended standard. In this video, you'll see how a financial institution created a custom baseline to reflect the FINRA or FINRA standard used in their business. To find Health Check, in Setup, simply search and click. Custom baselines are available to any Salesforce admin who has the Manage Health Check user permission. You create a custom baseline by exporting and modifying the Salesforce baseline standard. Using the Baseline Controls menu, export the Salesforce baseline XML file. Open the XML file with a text editor. We're going to open in WordPad because the formatting is easy to read. Now let's get familiar with the file. The 4 settings groups: high-risk security settings, medium-risk security settings, low-risk security settings, and informational security settings represent the risk categories in Health Check. Settings in the high, medium, and low categories count towards your Health Check score, but settings in the informational group don't. The setting names may be moved into different groups, but cannot be deleted from the file. Also, we cannot add new settings to the file. The setting values can be marked as compliant, warning, or critical. This area is where we'll make most of our changes to reflect the FINRA standard in our example today. We're going to change the setting values to ones that make sense for our financial institution. In this example, we want a stricter password policy than the Salesforce standard, so we'll change the compliant value to 10 and the warning value to 8. You can move settings into different risk categories. For example, our org's security standards don't consider certificate expiration as high risk, so we move it from low risk to informational in the custom baseline, so it no longer influences our Health Check score. Detailed explanations for each setting name and value can be found here. Once we've made all our changes, we save the file. In our example, since we opened it in WordPad, we'll need to copy it to Notepad first, so we can save it in XML format. We save the file with a new name to differentiate it from the Salesforce baseline standard. Now we'll go back to Health Check in Salesforce. From the Baseline Control menu, we import the file we just created. Enter a unique name for your baseline and an API name. If you need to change these later, you can do so using the Edit option on the Baseline Control menu. If you want this baseline to load automatically when you visit the Security Health Check page, choose to make it your default. The new FINRA baseline is available in Health Check. And now you can evaluate your security settings against your custom baseline. Don't forget, you can fix your risky settings by setting them to the values in your new baseline with a single click. If you need more help with the Fix Risks feature, check out our Learn About Security Health Check video. For more information, see the following topics in Salesforce Help, or visit the Salesforce Success community at success.salesforce.com. Salesforce. Connect to your customers in a whole new way.